Welcome back to eGovernance. Our aim is to everyone should lead a disease-free life. Today I'm back with another interesting topic that many of the IT people are facing. And not only IT people, many of other population is also having this issue, that is insomnia or sleeplessness. So in this video, I'll be discussing about some of the ultimate solutions for insomnia. Our fast-paced and highly productivity-focused lifestyle, along with the endless opportunities relieved to us through the internet in the last few decades, it's now creating a dilemma. The stimulating experience creates a state of hyper-arousal and creates the impression that sleep is a waste of time. In the end, we are often too tired to do anything and at the same time are too wound up with our thoughts to fall asleep. Ayurveda understands sleep as one of the three pillars of healthy sustenance of life, along with ahara and brahmacharya. It is clearly understood in Ayurveda that insomnia is not just an illness, but it is a symptom of an underlying imbalance and sign of many other chronic physical, behavioral, cognitive and mental issues that may appear in future if it's not addressed. The treatment for insomnia in Ayurveda has two goals. One is to help the quality and quantity of sleep, and second is to address the underlying cause and prevent long-term health impacts due to it. Let us start with palliative treatment. Brahmi, Vacha, Ashwagandha, Jadamamsi, and Bringaraja, when used in herbal powder or oil formulations, are extremely effective remedies for insomnia. They induce a sense of psychological calibration between mind and body, thereby creating a tranquilizing effect. They also helps to disperse any anxiety-ridden feelings of tension and unease that prevent healthy, restful sleep. Now let us see some of the lifestyle changes that you should do for getting a better sleep. They include use of Madhura Rasa or sweet predominant food items and a glass of buffalo milk before bedtime. Rice, wheat, black gram, meat soup, sweet with rich fat, curd of buffalo milk, draksha or grapes, sitha or candy sugar, and ikshu or its various preparations, that is, sugarcane preparations, can also induce a good sleep. Along with this, maintenance of an active mental and physical life is also very important. Also, practice of Shiro Abhyanga and Pada Abhyanga, which means massage of scalp and plantar region, will also help to improve the sleep. And keep in mind that major quantity of day's hydration must be done before 6 p.m. Don't try to compensate for day's low water intake just before bed. And always plan your dinner ahead. Dinner is a double-edged sword. Too little may make one feel unsatisfied or hungry and disturb the sleep. Too heavy may destroy the quality of sleep and make one feel tired in the morning. Also, pleasant smell, listening to good music and good news, keeping the mind in a calm and happy state, living without worries, remaining always satisfied will also help in promoting a good sleep. As per Ayurveda, sleeping before 11 pm helps you to sleep better because Kapha dosha is responsible for indulging in deep sleep. The time period of this Kapha dosha is between 9 to 11 pm. So, don't wait till 11 pm. Better to sleep by 10 pm itself. And always one should try to wake up before sunrise. Let us see some of the yogic practices which helps to improve your sleep. Practice of Anuloma Viloma Pranayama and meditation along with the practices of Yama and Niyama. Yama and Niyama are the rules that one should follow in their day-to-day life. And Surya Namaskara, Padmasana, Paschimottanasana, and Shavasana also helps in improving your sleep. And always try to do a deep relaxation techniques and yoga nidra techniques to balance or to have a stress-free life. Yoga also helps in reducing the stress and to have a normal and a better functioning of mind. Now let us see some of the habits that should be avoided for good sleep. Before starting medication for sleep related disorders, any psychiatric, neurological and conditions and chronic medical illnesses should be treated first. Also, one should avoid excessive consumption of coffee, tea, soft drink, alcohol and smoking. Avoidance of incompatible, indigestible, hot and spicy food articles also helps to improve your sleep. Foods that causes bloating such as broccoli, Brussels, sprouts, cabbage, cauliflower, carbonated, high acid drinks, dairy products, potato, maize, pasta, chewing gum, etc. should be avoided. So, balanced diet, lifestyle giving due respect to the biological clock, avoiding the causative factors, and some of the Panchakarma therapies, yoga, and palliative treatment provides a complete package for getting rid of sleep disorders. I hope everyone got few information regarding insomnia. Thank you. This is Dr. Harishankar from Ika Wellness.